Welcome to this comprehensive guide on bond types, where we will explore the world of corporate, government, and municipal bonds. Bonds are a type of investment where an investor loans money to a borrower, who promises to repay the principal amount with interest. First, let's start with corporate bonds. These are issued by companies to raise capital for various purposes, such as expanding their business or financing new projects. Corporate bonds offer a relatively higher return compared to government bonds, but they also come with a higher risk of default. For example, a company like Apple may issue bonds to raise funds for a new product launch. Next, we have government bonds, which are issued by governments to finance their activities and pay off debts. Government bonds are considered to be very low risk, as they are backed by the credit of the government. They offer a fixed return, but the yield is generally lower compared to corporate bonds. For instance, the U.S. Treasury issues bonds to finance its budget deficit. Municipal bonds, on the other hand, are issued by local governments and other public entities to finance infrastructure projects, such as roads, bridges, and schools. These bonds offer a tax-free return, making them an attractive option for investors who want to reduce their tax liability. For example, a city may issue bonds to finance the construction of a new airport. When investing in bonds, it's essential to consider the credit rating of the issuer, as it affects the risk of default. A higher credit rating indicates a lower risk of default, while a lower credit rating indicates a higher risk. It's also crucial to evaluate the bond's yield, maturity, and liquidity before making an investment decision. In conclusion, understanding the different types of bonds is crucial for making informed investment decisions. By considering the characteristics of corporate, government, and municipal bonds, investors can create a diversified portfolio that meets their risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember to always evaluate the credit rating, yield, and maturity of a bond before investing, and consider seeking professional advice if needed.